up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Owen. Sorry if I move too much. I'm driving and vlogging. For today's video, it's just gonna be a regular vlog. I'm gonna just show you guys what type of work I do, and yeah, it's gonna be a work vlog. I was able to get a side job this Saturday. We're just hoping it doesn't rain and we're able to finish it, so we won't have to go back and do it again. So hopefully it doesn't rain hard, and if it does, hopefully it just rains a little bit. Like, it won't make it dangerous for us or none of that, hopefully. And yeah, so I'm gonna just record. I'm gonna go meet my uncle right now, and from there we're gonna drive to the location, and we'll plan the work and see what we're gonna do, and I'll just record the process. So see you guys over there.
Más para que no pegue la trailer. No va a llegar a la casa, Ahí está, suéltala. Suéltala. Agárrala que no llega la trailer, vecino.
No le pasó nada, vecino.
Oiga.
Un rabinito nomás.
¿Cómo fue a dar vuelta?
De vuelta. Ay, sí le chocó, era.
Cuidándolo y ahora.
Pero vecino, no le pasó. Me lo hubiera puesto un poquito más para adelante.
Por eso tenía el mecate para amarrarlo.
Deja caer libre, ¿no?
¿Eh?
No va para ningún lado y queda ahí hasta adentro ya. Mira, si tiene amarrado ahí para que sale ahí, ahí más va.
¿No pega?
No.
Creo que no pega, vecino. No, él no pega, güey.
¿Qué?
La tapadera,
¿De qué?
del filtro. ¿Pega?
No.
Dale.
No pega.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I'm home. It was just a short vlog, show you guys my type of job. All those questions I asked on the first video, I may just do a couple vlogs of those questions so you guys could maybe just understand better. So that's my job and I love it, and hopefully I have my own company one day and just help other people and, you know, make some money out of it and become successful in life later on, and able to get my girlfriend, future wife, not to work, like make her a housewife, be able to take care of my kids like with no problem, and you know. All right guys, hopefully you guys liked it and maybe you guys try new things and check that type of job like arborist work and tree work and try it out. If you guys like it, if you guys not scared of heights, try it out. But yeah, so that's the end of the video, so make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button. I'm gonna start posting lit videos more often.